Good morning, everyone. This is Arun from Kovai.co. I'm very happy to welcome you all for NG Kovai virtual event. Let us just start this day by thanking all our beloved teachers, without whom we would not have made a very good living today. So thank you, teachers, and wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. So before moving on to the event, as a part of my welcome note, I would just like to give a quick introduction to our company, what we are, and why this particular event and things like that. So I will just take first a few minutes before I hand it over to our awesome speakers for the day. Our company Kovai.co was started in 2011 by Saravana Kumar, our awesome speakers for the day. Our company Kovai.co was started in 2011 by Saravana Kumar, who is MVP for last 14 to 15 years now. He started with one enterprise product called Bistock 360, and over the years the company has grown in terms of acquiring a good number of customers and revenue, and we have started investing on multiple ideas, and now we stand at 3 to 4 enterprise products in the market, and now we are branded as Kovai.co, a multi-software product company operating from Coimbatore, India. So the way the company was born is part of networking. So our founder, like 10 to 15 years ago, he was a very enthusiastic technical guy. He always attends lot of meetups in London, and as a part of his regular catch-ups and networking, discussing a lot of challenges with his networking peers, he came up with a small idea of building a prototype for managing Microsoft Bistock server. So that gave an opportunity to build a commercial product and make it a business. So since the company has gone out of networking, the community reach, the networking, and organizing technical meetups has become a part of an integral part of our company and culture. So today we are one of the pioneers in running a worldwide conference on Microsoft integration technologies. For almost 8 to 9 years, we have been organizing boot camps, one-day event, technical workshops, and meetups and virtual events across the world. And today we stand at organizing a premier global conference called Integrate on Microsoft Integration Technologies in both in London and Redmond in US. So it is being attended by technical architects and key decision makers in the technology space from big enterprises worldwide. So every year we kind of get around 400 to 500 participants for this conference, and Microsoft, they send a big army of speakers from their product group to discuss about their roadmap, and networking has been regular happening at Kovai.co. So this year, because of COVID, we organized a virtual event called Integrate 2020 Remote. Our flagship event, which we used to conduct in London and Redmond in person, has been converted into a remote event this year, and we received a very big response with around 1,000 plus paid registrations, and more than 200 to 300 people attending live for each and every session, which has become which received a very good response. We have not only been organizing meetups only for Microsoft technologies. We are not only organizing events only in London and Redmond, but we have been organizing technical meetups in Coimbatore as well as in India. So TechMeet 360 is a technical community arm of Kovai.co, where we conduct a lot of user group meetings, technical workshops, in-person events, and boot camps and things like that. So in the last 6 to 7 years of our operation in India, we have organized around 52 in-person events, 4 virtual events, and Tech Talk Thursdays are something, a new addition in TechMeet 360 user group, which is a very private even for all our employees of Covey.co. We meet every Thursdays and discuss about all the technical learnings and exchange our knowledge across between the peers. So why NG Covey? I just wanted to relate how we are using Angular at Covey.co. So this is our very first product, BizTalk 360. When our founder started this product, it was built on Microsoft Silverlight, and after 2 to 3 years, we found that the Silverlight technology has become obsolete, and the new norm is HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap and all those libraries. So then we migrated our product from Silverlight to HTML, CSS3, and for working on this particular platform for around 3 to 4 years. That is when Angular was introduced in AngularJS form, and our next products, Serverless 360 and Document 360, are in line to adapt to AngularJS, and subsequently we converted our products to Angular framework. So today we stand at almost we have got 4 enterprise products, BizTalk 360 now being converted to Angular, Serverless 360, Document 360, and Atomic Scope. All our enterprise products are now being implemented using Angular framework, and now we are a very heavy Angular usage shop. So almost all our products are now being either being upgraded to Angular 9. Some of the products, one of the product is still in Angular 8. We are looking at converting it to Angular 9 and 10. So we are kind of early adopters. As and when the framework is being updated, our technical team is very interested about the latest introductions in the framework, and we try to do some POCs and see how we can upgrade our products to Angular framework. So we have been organizing a lot of technical events to share our knowledge on Microsoft technologies, as well as our coding experiments in JavaScript, Angular, and things like that. Our association with Dhananjay, who is known as DJ in the community, who is very, I am proud to say he's also very famous. He has got around thousands of blogs in his arsenal, and he is very strong in JavaScript. He has been organizing a lot of events and workshops on JavaScript and front-end technologies. We are very happy to have been associated with Dhananjay for more than 10 years. As a technical, our technical team is connected with DJ for more than 6 to 7 years now, and our founder is connected with him for more than 10 years. We have been a regular sponsors for NG India, which is the largest Angular conference in India. So as soon as Google started encouraging Angular conferences and developer conferences worldwide, Dhananjay was one of the early adopters of that particular program, and though he has been organizing a lot of workshops in India on JavaScript, this time he wanted to make it big, and from 2018 onwards, he has been organizing this particular conference in a very large scale. And in the last 3 years, we could see the participants for this event has been growing in numbers, and it is running very successfully. We are happy. We are happy to have associated with him by sponsoring the event. Previously, we were known with our first product, BizTalk 360, as a brand, and we converted our company's brand identity as Covey.co, which is an umbrella brand selling multiple enterprise products. So in the last few years, Coimbatore and across Tamil Nadu and sometimes in Bangalore as well. So we have been running this event as Angular Day, where we kind of conduct theoretical sessions as well as some hands-on lab activities. And once Dhananjay started organizing this NG India conference, he came up with an idea. What about running a small conference in each and every cities of India, like NG Pune, NG Kerala, or something like that. But as a company operating out of Coimbatore, we thought, okay, we can associate with him organizing NG Covey. and we kind of organized NG Kovai last year, which was very successful, attended by around 40 technology enthusiasts in Coimbatore, and we conducted a full day conference with a lot of learning, workshops, and hands-on labs. This year we are not able to organize that in an in-person event, but we are happy to organize this in a virtual mode, and it also provided an opportunity for us to bring in more speakers, connect with a lot of awesome speakers like Jinal Shah, Nishu Goyal, Pankaj Parker, who are very much known for their technical blogs, sessions, and their content is very well received, and they are being very much followed. And we are also very proud to have a very strong technical team at our organization. Today, we will have Hariharan, Kishore, Suhash, who have been working on all these enterprise products I have been listing earlier. So they have a very strong experience in using Angular framework. And the lineup of sessions today, I am very much sure that they will be sharing all their learnings and share some of the best practices and tips for you to get started with Angular. If you have started with Angular, they will introduce some advanced concepts for you to adapt to the latest additions to Angular framework. So with that introduction, I welcome you all to NG Kovai Virtual. Have a great conference and a great day.